wearing a peaceful protest sign?
Who is the last person in Max Pen?
I don't recall.
Whoever's there.
Because someone...
Whoa.
Gunshots.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Lock it.
Got one, got one. Get out of the car, get out of the car.
I'm out.
Where are we
There's one guy with a gun there. Whoa.
Yep, Civ, ready about.
Who's been shot at?
Get away from here. Get away from here now.
Civ, it's female Civ,
Or
ready
you will be
Evo. There's two
detained.
Civs crawling in front of the ready Evo.
Where's one
Where are
dress?
you guys? Talk to me, please.
In front of Max
That
Pen.
chick had the gun out.
Temple.
Yeah, the chick had the gun out.
Got another one. The chick has no gun on her now.
Yeah, she doesn't
I'm
have
going
one
around.
now.
I'm going around. I'm gonna flank
Okay,
her on
I
her
don't
other
know why
side.
I'm not dead.
Wait, you said you were dead. How? You're not dead?
I should be dead, but for some reason I'm standing. I don't know what's going on.
Did you respawn? Sometimes there's a bug where you respawn directly after being killed.
The chick is
Yeah.
down.
Yep, I gave it chances. 3 deaths. I'm not sure if
Yeah,
I
she's
just
down.
did one shift without a gun though. Let me just move closer there.
I'm approaching the scene now.
Oh, it should be all down.
Yep, every one of them.
What the fuck?
EMT, stand by near PD, please. Straight up.
Oh wait, there's another Evo here.
Alright, Papa Smoke, please step out of the vehicle. I'm gonna handcuff you for your and our safety.
There's more
Works for me.
shit.
Oh, I have a taser. Can you handcuff me with the taser on? I'd rather not be forced to drop it, please. Thank you. Okay. Yes,
That
that.
should be clear for
I
them.
have no idea what the hell that was all about. The guy with me
I saw you
was
coming
actually
down.
just trying to secure
Yeah, I'm
the
on my way,
gun
mate. I'm at Sam now.
and not be a
Alright.
I'm
problem.
gonna call PD off limits.
So